What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to yet another video on Avalanche. This is the third video on Avalanche I made within the last 24 hours. Yesterday we did an analysis after that bad news came out. Then I covered the news and now I'm back because we're actually back at the same levels. And my analysis, to be honest with you, was wrong. So if you want to click away, this is the time. But no, I mean, I thought that after that news, even though when I covered the news in the video, I didn't think it was that bad for Avalanche per se. It was worse for the legal firm. But I did expect us that even with the news that we would at least stay down here at $18. But what we did today, or actually starting yesterday evening already, is we actually found support at $18, went all the way up to $20, which is a major resistance level, and we're not really retracing from that. We haven't broken above the level either. I mean, if we would want to get a bullish breakout, we would need to break above 20.5. And I still do expect that we'll find some more resistance off of this, all right? I do expect that we'll drop down to somewhere like 19.5 from here, as you can see. But still, if we do this a little bit, basically what I expect for Avalanche right now. And I haven't really followed the news, to be honest, after that article. I did follow some of the reactions. Didn't follow I don't know if the Avax reacted or anything. But what I expect is that we'll find some resistance off of this level. But I do think at this point of time that we can get all the way up to this 21.5 and $22 level. I wasn't too sure about this whole move. Because we do have to break above a major resistance level around $20. As I said, that's the level we're at right now. But I don't know, there's just a lot of bullish momentum throughout the market. It seems like Bitcoin and Ethereum can go up a little bit more. And for me, that little bit more for Avax is going up to 21.3, 22. That level. I think we're going up there, then we might find some support at $20, but eventually I do think we'll drop down to $19 and to $18 again. So don't get too positive, even though there's a lot of bullish momentum and I'm starting to doubt some of my analysis. I still think this is the most likely scenario at this point of time. I mean, if you zoom out a little bit, we're still very bearish, all right? And at every one of these lows, you actually had a move like this. Here you can see this move, for example, up to that top was about 9%. Now yesterday, obviously, we had some bad news. So this move is a little bit more. It's about 16%, but still, you get what I'm saying. At every bottom, we do go up a little bit. But if you zoom out, we're still in a downtrend. All right, and that's why I think we can get up to $22 as a very maximum. But after that, I do expect us to drop down to $18. And from there, I will jump back in again to update it. Also, if something else happens, if I'm wrong, I will never tell you. No, it's then I'll be back again, because the main thing is let's cover that very quickly. Don't want to use up too many of your time. The main thing is that there's just a lot of resistance up here. So I could be wrong, and we could actually move up to $23. Then still, I would think something like this would be the most likely scenario, right? I just think $22 is already too strong of a resistance. But to become bullish with Avalanche, we would really need to break above 23.5. And I don't see any possibility of doing that. So that's basically my analysis and my take on Avalanche, or Avax for now. So if you do have any questions about my analysis or anything I said, feel free to say that in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. Have a great day and take care.